Hey guys, today it's snowing on Easter 2020, and so going outside, probably not going to do it today. It's not the fun kind of snow to play in, so we're going to do some baking. This is the perfect time to do baking when it's crappy outside, makes you feel better, and what better thing than banana bread. It's just a great comfort food and helps your house smell great. So today I'm going to show you how to make one banana bread. Just in case you only have 1 or 2 bananas, you can still make a really good bread. My family loves this. During the quarantine, we've been making them constantly. The bananas stretch much farther, so we have many loaves of bread, and you know, everybody's about comfort food. So come on with me today while I show you how to bake one banana bread. All right, so one banana bread. By the way, I have to give a shout out to my friend at A Farmish Kind of Life who gave this recipe on her website, and I changed it just a little bit. And what I'm doing is my sugar, I do half regular sugar and half brown sugar because I absolutely love brown sugar. So what you need is 1.5 cups of flour. I have all-purpose flour here. A half cup brown sugar, a half cup white sugar, 1 banana mashed, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 stick, so 1/2 cup of butter, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but I just eyeball it. I always put a little more because who doesn't love vanilla? And then what you're gonna do is take your egg, crack it in your 1 cup measuring, and then add milk so that it comes up to 1 cup. So you're gonna fill it that way. That's your ingredients. So a little more than 1 cup of milk. All right. Okay, so before we get started, I like to use my stand mixer. And a little safety precaution that I always tell everyone, make sure it's not plugged in before you put your attachment on. Accidents happen and you don't really want to be one of those people. So what I do is I take my room softened butter, softened at room temperature. I'll put that in, and I'll show you the steps in just a second, but I put that in and I beat that just for a minute to make it kind of soft. And then I add my sugars. You can just pour them in, beat that for about a minute until it's just nice and soft and creamy. After that, I'm going to put my banana in, and then I'm going to put my egg, milk, and vanilla mixture. Then I'm going to take my baking soda, and I'm going to mix it in with my flour. Then I will mix that in slowly. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've mixed my mixture for about 5 minutes till everything's incorporated real well. I took my spatula and scraped the sides and the bottom just to make sure everything is mixed real well. I'm using just a metal bread pan loaf, and I like to use parchment paper, and here's why. I don't do any of the greasing. I can lift it out immediately, and I'll show you what the bread looks like after you do that. It's just nice and clean. That way it lifts out really well. So when you're putting this in, be careful not to poke any holes in it. And I just go real loose. Unplug. Remove my attachment. While I'm mixing, I preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for anywhere between 45 and 55 minutes. I find 55 minutes is about perfect for my stove, my oven, I should say. Go ahead and stick a toothpick in the middle, and when it comes out clean, that's when you want to take it out. If it's really stuck there runny, it's not done all the way, but you don't want to over dry it. That's a big thing. What's nice about this can you see that? One banana bread is it's very, very moist. And so you don't want to dry it out while you're baking. Sorry about that, the angle. Can't help that. Okay, so once that's ready, I just go ahead, because that's how I am. I just cut off that excess. You don't have to do it neat. It really doesn't matter. It can hang over. It's not going to hurt anything. For me, it's just a preference. Oops, get that whole piece. So now this is ready, and of course, you could make sure everything fits down in there all nice and neat. I don't really seem to bother. Get it in there, and there you go. All right, it's been 50 minutes. We're gonna check the bread. That is not what I wanna see, so we're gonna go 5 minutes and check it again. Okay, so it's been 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna check the bread right now and see if it's ready to come out. Perfect, it is ready. So I'm gonna take that out. And just like the other ones over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and flop it out. Don't forget to shut your oven off, and you're done.